Mike Visa Saven, chase a dream, Yanzi Mali yok 10. Tina Savangen, dream big negativities I can't get paid. Chasing your dreams never late. I'm just hoping you relate. Money and happiness, they all equate. I had big dreams, way before I hit the age 16.
Hey yo, what's good? Emhlabeni. Welcome to another and yet another Emhlabeni vlogs. So today is what do you call it? So it's Valentine's Day today. Happy Valentine's to you and your loved ones. Before it's Valentine's like this, no? Let me do this actually. So before you continue the video, comment an answer for I've got a few questions for you guys. Just comment. So these are questions for the niggas actually. So what does Valentine's mean to you? And then as a nigga, have you received a Valentine's gift? And then what was it? And then the other question will be, okay, the most creative way, your most creative. This is both for males and females. What's the most creative way of saying I love you? Just comment there. Then this is for the ladies. What's the perfect? What does the perfect Valentine's Day look for you, or has been? Since in Jola, you are young when you're dating. Mina, fucked up thing is I've never bought a girl a Valentine's gift in my whole life. I've never bought a girl a Valentine's gift. I've never been dating on Valentine's. So ngihlala one single Valentine. Yeah, so what's happening today? You see, I've got a bag. I'm dressed to tattoo. It's in bonus. Ha. Yabo. Skezile vandaag is skezile. So I can be your Valentine. So I'm heading to a macro today. And I'm not using my car. I'm using the taxi. And it's a Sunday. So it's tricky. And imagine I have to walk all the way up there. Have to walk all the way up. But I'm just looking for like a car. Hi Kenyan. The reason I'm going to macro, I'm going to go get a fridge. So my little brother is doing his second year this year. He's moving to Jersey. He needs a fridge. So buying him a new fridge is a lot. So he'll take mine. I'll buy him a new one. So asamve. Okay. So I got a lift. It's someone who lives here at my place who's gonna transport me, and it's like he's in a bike. I'm gonna hop out in the back of the bike. Yeah, okay. Here's Lwandle.
Oh. Yo, what's good lapho Emhlabeni?
What does Valentine's mean to you?
Love, baby, everywhere.
I've seen that sex later.
No, sex later. Later, not during the day.
Okay, what's a Valentine's gift you've received?
Not yet, but
no, but in the past, like be Lena okay why told a Valentine's gift from umuntu.
It's over. Bangpayeli cup, yeah, in Kamalami, print so.
No. Yeah, niggas don't get shit besides socks, cups, and ass. That's all niggas get at every time. So I'm in a back of a bakkie. I can't walk all that way up. It's a lot. So yeah. Well. What does Valentine mean to you, my brother?
Valentine, it's just a day to share your love with one another. Not necessarily, it's not only for people who are dating, but also for people like in regular relationships, all types of relationships, I believe. Yeah, just a day of sharing love, you know?
Yeah. Okay. What have you gotten for Valentine?
Oh,
Since not this one, like since.
Yeah, since nothing, man.
Okay. Nothing. See, niggas don't get shit. Okay. Oh, mama.
Thanks.
What does Valentine mean to you?
Actually, I think Valentine is just a month of love and
Unomuntu.
I'm single.
Okay. What have you received for Valentine?
It was only once. I got like chocolates.
Yeah, at least. And then what's your what does your perfect Valentine's Day look like?
Okay, man, I don't believe in it because it's pointless.
Yeah.
I think you go out and spend time. Me and him.
50-50.
50-50. Whether you go to him, I'm shirt, I'm socks.
Yeah.
Perfume. You know, yeah, go right.
Alright, sharp, thanks.
Okay, thanks.
You see, get you a proper hand. So I jumped out of the bakkie, yeah. Because there's traffic. Uthini kenzakaleni? Hayi wena. Bese uyenzeni? Uyikhiphi? Abo ungazi ukuthi uyabhayisa.
Oh, zangathi uyabhayisa lo mntana izolo.
Yo, and manje umthengele notshwala.
Yena ngithengele notshwala nangabe.
Yo. So I've been trying to ask people questions about Valentine's. Nobody's budging, eh? Nobody is trying to interact with me. I don't know why. Oh, I'm too cool. So I'm almost at the robots. I've been walking. There's traffic here. See. So I've been walking. I got a lift. I've been walking for like a young 10 minutes. I'm sweating like a wet dog. A gunzim. Yeah. Okay. So I just got into a cab now. We're going to FOURWAYS first. Malin cab. Manje mangakunika i200 fast change na. Yeah, no. Ikhona chocolate ngabla. Hola. Manje angifuna ukubuza ama-question nyanga ngicela ukuyehlisa nje la. So ngifuna ukubuza ama-question we-Valentine. I-Valentine iminani kuwe? Lo mbuzo. Unzima. Okay, ekhe bakuthengelani for i-Valentine?
For a Valentine.
Yeah.
Ngithengile
with you.
Oh yeah.
A chocolate.
Okay, one or every year.
Every year.
Hayi wena.
Ngiyithola lento.
Oh, umzulu ne? Yabona ukuthi empilweni ukuthi makumele uma ufuna izinto ezinhle kumele ube umzulu nje kuphela. Phela amapedi awatholi next ne. Yeah.
So ngizoyibona sengitrenda nje lapho ku TikTok.
Hayi, ngaya ku trend.
Ngiyangitrenda.
Hayi ku trend. I just finished a security guard akafuni shoot. So they just dropped me off here at FOURWAYS. There's a taxi rank. So I live close to Cosmo. So I used to try to comba, so tola comba up for wherever and then down for a local. To go to Cosmo you do this. See. Yo, so I got there. There is no taxis to Woodmead, and the man, it says it's here, but I don't know what it is. LS 19 RP. There we go. So I decided to just Uber. So my what did you call my taxi ride is gone. It's done. I'm gonna Uber back to normal programming. So I made it to a macro now, but now I can't shoot inside, so I'm gonna use my phone. See, let's go. Access fridges are expensive. So that's the cheapest. There's this fridge I saw online. I wanna online since one. Yeah, I'm thinking of buying this one here. Now, tell me what you think. Damn, fridges are expensive, man. I'd rather eat takeaway every day, yeah? Because it's a problem. Alright, so yeah, it was a long day. But I only used it just that time. Other than that, I couldn't go to in because I came back. I went to a different store. I got the fridge. It's getting delivered tomorrow. Yeah, which is you'll see it here. My slick is here, but something up. For you, why you forget hard in?
Because it's for you. How? Yeah, contractor.
But I must ask you guys, do you guys wait, eating sule lang. Do you guys use reuse gift wraps or gift? So we keep it from the last time I went. Manje uyifakile and yabona ukuthi beyihlelile ama all-star ambashile. Yo, asibone, it feels like a sketch, a painting or something. Asibone ukuthi he didn't give me anything for my birthday, and funny enough 2 days ago it was his birthday. And I'm going to take it next. I'm showing you how if you want me to buy you something, you must buy me something first. So now I must buy him. Okay, as one is like. Oh, I'm going to keep it. It's very. Issue. Oh damn. Oh damn. Issue. Issue.
Oh.
Issue.
Oh.
To the world. Ah, sure, on. Marayim. Yeah, no. Thanks for talking.
Shout out Machi. Shout out Machi.
Yeah, you can ask somebody over there.
Damn.
Yeah, on. Yeah. Alright,
That was
hard. So my little brother found a new place. He found a place. Guess where? Here. Maniazi. Besides everything, I've got so many stories about this place. Awufuna was. Oh, plus I'm parked outside. That I can't get over. Yeah, those girls that live there. Bangisha, mara. I'm not saying guti bang pile bangisha. And imagine if I can tell you guys stories here. Let me just give you two. So there's a corner there by where you hang your stuff. There was once upon a time, there's a guy that got caught smashing in his car. He was smashing in his car there by the corner. It's dark. So now when the security came, he drove and wanted to go out, and then they caught him by the gate. Another one would be damn, what other stories do I have here? Hey man, what's the name? Oh, there's one, and this one. So there was this girl. I'm a twins. So the other day I spoke to the other one. So much this girl was convinced like I'm making myself stutter. Like what do I gain from pretending to stutter? It's like, yeah, I know you. I met you the other day. You were fine. Probably on that day I was better, because there's days where it becomes worse. There's days where it's fine, you know. And then like she was so convinced. Like I felt so hurt, man. Like why would I try like you know, and then when I'm pretending to be this person, or pretending to status so you can have in sympathy and empathy. More sympathy. For me, nah. Like I just hope, but oh well, ended up being friends with the other twin. Yeah, it was deep. Yeah. Oh, one thing you guys have to know, or need to know. So today is my second day. I'm taking a break from alcohol until further notice. Probably until March. But I just want to, you know, relax. Oh fuck! Remember last year when we were talking about recommendation of books and all that? Oh no! This year, beginning the first vlogs, are saying no. Started to read a book. I was reading it on my phone, né? And then I would listen to the audiobook also. So I decided to purchase the book. Yeah, can you see it? Atomic Habits. So I bought the book. You see, it's still in the cover, still brand new. There's the price there. Is the price? No. There's the price there. So now I'm gonna read a hardcover, because when I read on my phone, ning send my text, you know, and reply my DMs. So now I'm gonna read it straight. Wait, this guy's on. Or they probably don't know that I'm in the car. No, but the lights are on. See, I told you. See.
Uhlala emotweni ubalekela imvula.
Yeah, ndoda kuyafana ngizoba manzi la.
Ngena ukhuphuka ama steps.
Yeah, uyabona leyo 2 seconds leyo. Ngophela leyo
yini we-ice inqonethi uzomelta uzoncibikala.
Yeah.
Hayi suka.
Ngambani?
Mnandi wena.
Standard.
Kanulenda vele. Kanulenda vele.
Yeah. Ejo yini ama bad habits unawo?
My bad habits. Yo, mfana. Ubhema jo.
Izolo.
Yeah.
Uyobhema ahle ubhemile namhlanje.
No, but ngiphethe izolo manje ngizobhema.
Okay, beg. Njengoba ulumula. What does Valentine mean to you?
Give me it means nothing because I can celebrate, like truly speaking.
Ne?
And as I know what's into much. Even ngisasescale jo bengingasheli before Valentine.
Yeah,
The Valentine uqala indlule then sengingasheli.
Namanje ama DM yami ngabaya reply and uyabona ukuthi no man, it's all about into. It's about ukuthi ikuba Valentine. Abafuni kuba single Valentine. What's a gift you've received on Valentine that you remember?
I can't think of any.
Next. Oh, so I got told next. Oh, never. It contradicts the Zulu guy in the taxi. So when I'm a Zulu now, asas.
I know. Valentine. Sakula we used to say Valentine, but anyway.
But Valentine, yay fair. Yo.
Valentine or the Christmas Eve. We say that Christmas Eve. Told my gift but anyway, yeah. Valentine.
So now Black Studios is here, ne? So I'm just gonna put my camera here. Then just watch everything happen. Yo, what's up?
You can eat couch food. You on my couch. You're yo. Yeah? Mas lang painting na mafeno ako. Yo. Ay, dona, ay, chela nga. Bueno, abawas na ng puting lala, boy.
Yeah?
Yo, sing in the fridge. Yo. Yan, parang yung pera ngayon.
No.
Parang puting lala. Tara na next, man.
Yeah?
Puting lala na next, man. Yes, next.
No, it's one of my eyes. The Benita one, manje mina ngidleni wena awumawuthatha leyo kudla ngidleni uyabona ifridge yami empty ma uyabona ifridge yami empty
futhi ama-silver bullet
leyo wenzani lapho ungalokhi
angilokhi mani wena
makaya kuthatha isikhathi esingawo
yabulekile fridge yo wahlabuza nasona boy
So we just finished shooting something else with Black Studio. Ngiyobathengela ukudla. Bangifonela, hey Spiwe, we need you. Hey. And uzobona mangifika lapha they won't appreciate. Bekumele nye lapha egarage ngiyodraw imali. Uzozwa wena. Why no order ngaphetha ngimali? Mele mina. Umreki. Ngicela inhloko ze-dinosaur eziyi-4.
So ufike lapha wakhalela ekhaya ukuthi bakuthumele 100 rand.
Yeah,
wenzani lapho hotel full tank? Patala labo inyama ethe akafika endaba ukuthi imali ayikho patala.
Mara uthe udlile ipie muhle. Ngisho udlile
ipie ishaya esayidini. Mangibona isikophi ipie ishaya esayidini yesayidini. Mayibona isikophi. Zwakala patala.
Ungaba ngabe imali yami. Awunamali. Ungaba imali. Okay, so kuyodla mina kuqala. Ngisho kuthenga mina. Kuyodla mina kuqala mase ngisuthi ngizonishiyela. Okay. It's a quick update. This one. I bought mud flaps. So they are a bit hard, man. They're plastic with the rubber is hard. So they told me to boil them. So I'm going to boil them proper boiling now. So asibone ukuthi izosebenza na. Oh damn. So they said if I boil these they want to become softer, so when I go over humps and stuff, you know, that doesn't like, you know, so it just like it goes flap type shit. So I don't get it because it might they might harden again, so I'm not sure. Okay, there's no progress yet. Oh, well, let it boil first, you know. But with doing that, I'm just also editing here. You see, multitasking. I got I don't know. Nano. So to put this shit up, so I've got my qualification there, and the tomboles of me. It was made by Sketched by Tools. So he's on Instagram. Maybe if you wanna like probably get your girlfriend a Valentine's gift, you know, with bam throw. I want to buy throw mar. Asas, you can get him to throw a umuntu akho be a gift. So I just realized that these don't fit proper. I think I'll just have to go to VW straight. So I just realized that the mud flaps don't fit proper, or I can't install them. So there's a guy who has a Polo Vivo. It's a Polo Vivo. So I'm gonna try fit them on there as soon as he goes up. I wanna try, because no man, it doesn't make sense because it leaves a huge gap under. But oh well, it is what it is. So now I'm just gonna swash anymore. Yin Funan. Hello. Hello, Funan.
What do you mean, Funan? Why would?
I should drop your phone.
I was on a call with my therapist. I was on a call. I ordered myself a bottle of wine, but I deliver. They said a guy took it.
Oh, which guy?
I don't know. But it's whatever. It's not like I had ordered myself a bottle of wine. I don't know. I don't even remember what it was because I was just ordering as I was on the phone. But it's fine. It's whatever, man.
Ten minutes.
I'm so sorry. I was having a hair malfunction. I'm sorry.
He has a shots by Tabak, Jed. Shots by Tabak. Shots by Tabak. Sure.
Chill sponge.
Valentines.
2 for 10 rand.
Valentines yakho le.
Yes, siyasibesha ngechill sponge. Yabo. Besha chill sponge mama. Ice flavor mama.
So
peach flavor mama. Wona ama love what? Ama love bite what? Love bite by shots.
Mara kubuza question uyenzani?
Ngiyenzani ngani?
Valentine.
Mina?
Yeah.
Thengisa ama chill sponge. Thengisa ama chill sponge.
Mwabelo.
It's you guys 6 mfana.
Hayi.
Wakhawathe.
Ugqoke kahle namhlanje. Ugqoke kahle.
Awungishute la.
Ubona mfana wala. Sibe. Ubechile lo match amshibalo.
Ugqoke kahle mntana yami. No.
Enyazama.
This is the first time ubona ugqoke kahle.
Sure, kumele sizame kancane
Lo Valentine ukhansela ikoloyi.
Yo. Clean. Yo. Uyedayitini ntwana?
Hayi. Wena ngiyakubona ubambile wena. Hayi, stoko inside. I forgot to ask this, what are these guys doing for Valentine? Lahan.
Nanga abantu bana ama-aunt.
Awana ama-aunt.
La ufuna ukusibuza.
How wenzani for Valentine?
Valentine?
Yeah.
Thina sasipana on Valentine senza imali.
Ne?
Yeah. Wena wenzani?
Yeah?
Wena wenzani?
Nami ngiyasipana ngiyobe nginawo ngisipana.
Yeah, so wangibuza ukuthi senza.
Yeah, nge-13.
Nobani?
Icherry yami ngithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ufaka ama-heart mangikhuluma.
Umthengeleni ngoba ngiyazi uyenzeni the other day.
Uyenzeni? Oh, lama president wathathile studio.
Yeah.
Ala ngithe baby bamba la balance kwamanje. Big things are coming.
So ufuna ukuba uyishelana ama-couple.
Ama-couple?
Yeah.
No, ama-couple yazi ngingathanda guys ukunwishela heartbreak.
Why? Why ufuna kuba uyishele?
It will end in tears, Pure. It will end in tears. Trust me, mfana. It will end in tears.
King Valentine's by oh yeah.
Since it's the month and the day for lovers, I'm gonna plug you to people who do love music, bro.
Yeah?
I'm gonna plug the people to people who do love music.
Yeah. Plaga mfanaka.
So
Usmayilana.
Ngifanye ku.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this actually. Yeah, let's spice it up. Tubla just said with Vendors, ne? Tubla, tomorrow is Valentine. I'm not gonna ask you about what you're gonna do. What song would you like to play in your mind, or if you were to go to a date, this is the song, the theme song for Valentine tomorrow? Tabang.
Hello. My song?
Yeah.
Because one of my guys are going through heartbreak. I'm wishing ooh baby, it's alright. Ooh baby.
Yeah, it's alright.
You wake up and you're like, this is my track of the day. Valentine specifically, bro. It's better that it doesn't sound like that.
Alright, skating.
I said I don't wanna be in these vlogs anymore.
Why? No. Nah, fuck you, dog.
What do you mean? Why am I in the vlog, dog? Can I?
Nambona uya actor. See what? Leave me. Yabo, there's Taki for you. Gents, sharp, Valentine's Day, sharp. I'm going to my Valentine's Day, sharp. Guys, I'm so calm. Man. They're paying the bill, so I'm leaving here. Yeah. It's chance. The gumban.
Will you open this?
Let's open it.
200.
To clip.
Okay, poison, wait. Can I decline?
Mereka patel di kono mfana ya shoota no.
Okay,
just 20 minutes. Anak kobisi.
Shots yang kang patarin.
Yazi ngimtshele Emhlabeni guys. Ngimtshele ukuthi angazi actele la. Ahamba yo actele la generations. Angazi actele la. Siphiwe bhatala bill. You are paying for the bill. Athi phone yakhe yenza what?
Yeah, Joe, ifone yami Joe.
Let's see. Let's see. Niyabona ngithi guys. Ngithi face ID what's up?
So babayang forced ukuthi keep it under. Angidlanga angikuzanga utshwala. I'm 4 days sober now. Angikuzanga utshwala, angidlanga, mara bafuna ngicontribute ku bill. What do you guys think about this? Should I? No, I'm not. I never. Okay, with that said, I think like I should end it now unless you buy indie. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend was a pillar Emhlabeni or else. Another thing, I haven't done those Q&A, man. With the Q&A, I haven't. I just haven't gotten the time yet. But I will probably next week. But I'm thinking of shooting it individually, just doing the Q&A straight. So if you have a Q&A, I'll go to my post on YouTube and comment there what other question you wanna ask me. Danko, stay safe. Please condomize tonight. If you want to ombolegile, ngoba kuyabolekalana. You know, bayabolegana yo. Yeah, they borrow each other. They borrow each other, girls, and then please be safe. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button.
Nothing. I just want to hear what you're telling these people. What's Emhlabeni? You guys,
Okay.
You know that Spirit is a certified liar. I don't know if you knew that, but he lies to you guys a lot. And
about what?
Like about a lot of things, like bills and stuff. But I'm hoping that he's gonna start doing better.
Okay, but like, comment, or subscribe.
Oh, please like, comment, subscribe. We love you guys a lot. How do you do your heart?
Oh, it's okay. Heart.